welcome to Jenny. So today I'm going to make one of the popular dish in our country, which is cucur ikan bilis. The main ingredients are 400 gram flour, ikan bilis and onions, some vegetables that you prefer. For me, I choose potatoes and carrots to get variety of colors for my cucur. And the last one is soup leaf. Okay, let's get started. Jemput-jemput, or also called cekodok or cucur, is a traditional Malay fritter snack from Indonesia, notably popular in Malaysia, Brunei and Singapore, that is made from flour and then fried. It is usually round in shape and tends to vary in size. There are many varieties of this snack, some using bananas, prawns, onions or maize. Jemput-jemput are among the best dishes for breakfast or afternoon tea. What's more, it is eaten with sambal kicap, which is a common ingredient in the soup. Cucur is also eaten with chili sauce or tomato sauce according to their taste.